Before going more deep on complex searching or replacing, I want to mention a couple important tips here. As you realize immediately after enabling wildcards, some features such as match case is disabled. If I type like previous video A to E and start highlighting, as you see all characters includes A to E is highlighted, but only small caps, not all caps, right? And if I clear and type A to E with capital characters and highlight, now only capitalized characters will select it. So it is case sensitive by default, and you don't need to enable match case. If I clear the highlight and let's say again a small a to small e, how can I search by this for all caps? You might think you could use format, but actually you cannot combine them together. In this case, if I go to format, font, and enable all caps, although the preview here it is capitalized A to E, okay, but if I start highlighting, nothing gonna find. So it is not combining all this together. In this case, I could set no format, and as you know, you could type the capital A to E. How can I search for all small and caps? I could use comma, now capital A dash capital E. There it is, this is my find, and highlight them all. Now everything in my range it is selected. So keep in mind in this case,